Hello, my name is Bishop Gerald Kikanis, Catholic Bishop of the Diocese of Tucson, and I have some wonderful news for you. The state of Arizona has made it very easy for you to support students in our Catholic schools. This video explains this new opportunity. I hope you'll take advantage of it because our students really need your help. Thanks for listening.
This is a wonderful opportunity. You can now use your payroll withholding taxes to support students in our Catholic schools. Arizona taxpayers have for many years been able to get a tax credit for donations made to the Catholic Tuition Support Organization, CTSO. But now, for the first time, if your employer agrees, you can make these contributions through your regular payroll deductions. It's easy, and you won't see a difference in your take-home pay because there won't be any difference. Here's how it works. Ask your employer if they're willing to participate in this payroll deduction program. If they agree, then ask them to reserve some or all of your state withholding taxes, normally withheld for that pay period, as your contribution to CTSO. Every quarter, your employer will then send CTSO whatever total contributions have been reserved from your pay period deductions. At the end of the year, you will have made your maximum allowable contribution with money you would have paid in state taxes anyway. You don't have to put money aside or come up with a large lump sum to make your donation. Let's take a look at a sample payroll check stub so you can see how it works. This person made $1,784.86 during this pay period. Their employer withheld money for federal and state taxes as well as Medicare and insurance, leaving about $1,422 in net take-home pay. Notice that $30.25 was deducted for state withholding taxes. Now, look what happens when they take advantage of the new payroll deduction program to make contributions to CTSO. They still make $1,784.86 in the pay period, but now they divide their state withholding taxes into $10.25 for the state and $20 for CTSO. It's the same total deduction, but now some of it goes to support our students. The important thing to notice is that their take-home pay is exactly the same as it was before, not 1 penny less. If you want to take advantage of this program, there are some simple forms that you and your employer will need to complete. Contact CTSO and we'll mail those forms to you, or you can go online to our website and download the forms. Once you and your employer set up the program, deductions will be made automatically each pay period. Nothing else will change. Your take-home pay will remain exactly the same. You'll just be making the equivalent of installment contributions to CTSO as you go through the year, and you'll be making those contributions with money you would have paid in taxes anyway. And you can also still make contributions to the public schools or to programs for the working poor. You may also get a charitable deduction on your federal tax return. Consult your tax advisor for more details. Let's review. To begin with, since the program is totally voluntary, you'll need to ask your employer if they're willing to participate. If so, get the paperwork you'll need from CTSO. Complete all the forms and return one copy to CTSO and one to your employer. It's that easy. It's easy for employers, too. Employers just direct some or all of their employees' state taxes each pay period to CTSO. Every quarter, CTSO receives those funds from the employer. At the end of the year, the employer gives their employees an accounting of how much was sent to CTSO. They will also give that same accounting to the Arizona Department of Revenue, and their employees will get their dollar-for-dollar tax credit. For more information, please contact us at 838-2558 or go online. This is a wonderfully easy way to help deserving students get a quality education based on academic achievement and faith-filled values. Let's all take advantage of it.
You see, this is a terrific opportunity to help our students. You can use your tax dollars to support their education, and you can do it through your regular payroll deductions. You'll be helping our students and our community. Thank you, and God's choicest blessings to each one of you.